So as you can see, we've hired help. Our friend Frank is decided to be shotgun in the trunk, filming the Datsun down little side lanes. We can try and speed up a little bit, just get a bit of footage. He's filming because obviously I've got to drive, Carmen's got a whole camera, so we've got to have some extra help. So sometimes we have to improvise and ask our friends to film a little bit. And the road's a bit rough right now, so oh yeah, get over that little, yeah. So we're literally going to go down this country lane, and then we're going to head down a dual carriageway where Carmen's going to be the one hanging out the window with Frank to film the car and taking pictures. So we're definitely getting all out, all holes in the road, to get the best out of this. Kind of Top Gear style, I suppose. There we go.
Génial. Là, sur la vidéo, ça rend super bien. Franchement, quand tu vas voir Tony, tu vas halluciner.
Ok, je vais me mettre quelque part, comme ça tu peux te...
Quoi?
On le suit. Tu restes comme ça?
Ouais, mais en fait, si tu veux...
Ah oui, il s'arrête.
Voilà, il s'arrête. Parce qu'après, là, il y a la partie où il y a les rochers. Et là, c'est super joli aussi.
Ah, ok, super.
Laisse passer peut-être juste les voitures.
Ouais, je vais juste passer.
Et
là.
après, là, t'as la partie où t'as toute la montagne.
So letting cars go past, Frank's going to explain to us about some really cool places down here with some rocky mountains. So we're going to try and capture this on his cell phone. So he's talking to the guy at the back, Sam, and hopefully we've let a few cars go past, we're free to go.
And for me, it's quickly putting on my hairband and hang out the window as well.
Okay, we good to do this? Are we good at this, Frank?
Wait a minute.
Oh, wait 1 minute, okay. Frank's got to get himself ready, he's got to do yoga position to get the best shooting. Okay, Frank, Top Gear style. Okay, let's go. Frank, Top Gear style, here we do it. Let's do it. He's got to hold on, he's got to... How we roll, people, to get the shots. You don't need massive cameras, you just need some kick-ass friends, iPhones.
A narrow, windy road.
Oh shit, yeah, slightly narrow down here. Fuck. I better watch what I'm doing because I've got some guy in the back who I need to look after. Yes. Oh, it's someone's spot. Shit, this is tight. There's not much room for any other cars down here, so fingers crossed, we stay as we are. I've got no idea if it's dual lane or not down here, so gotta keep going. Man, this is tight. Oh crap. Frank is definitely going to catch kick-ass punches here. Okay, if I knew this lane a little bit, I'd go a bit faster, but right now I've got no clue. Ah, here we go, back out into civilization. Egamas is the local town. The interesting thing is, people are going to think I'm actually getting a speed camera. Capture them, which is hilarious. So what I'm trying to do now is to work out if I have the right settings, because now there's a lot more light in here. It might not be as bad as I thought. Although the barrier is not as bad as I thought. Oh yes, here we go. Just try. Just curious because this actually could work really well. It's not as dark as I thought. The only thing is trying to get him to stop in the middle for about half a second and get a really nice shot. Just depending how many cars there are. I'm going to try and talk to the guy, so let's go have a chat. I'll leave this here. This is how we do it. We two photo shoots in the tunnel. We're directing traffic. We're traffic wardens for the day. Shooting this beautiful Datsun. Oh, time to get off the road. Here's a car. He's going to realise. There's the rest of the crew filming as well, which is pretty awesome. So I think we should be good to go.
Moi j'ai pas de coup de cœur donc je vais éviter de...
So I'm going to try and attempt to film him while there's no one here. Stand in the middle, no cars yet, so fingers crossed. Here we go.